southeastern Luzerne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 9 p.m. At 7:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Corbett to near Bear Creek, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockland, Fallsburg, Bushkill, Monticello, McCallickson, Blooming Grove, Honesdale, Liberty, Bethel, and Paupick. A severe
throughout the area, helping Brittany and her friends to thrive. Join us for excellent benefits for full-time employees with sign-on bonuses for some positions. You can change a life. Visit goodwellnepa.org for a list of
Team USA is ready for the Olympic Games. So is Jacob. He's got a Flex 4K streaming box free with Xfinity Internet and Peacock Premium included. With Team USA highlights, live look-ins, or it's all of Jacob's favorites in one place. Flex included with Xfinity.
Get ready for the Olympics with Xfinity Internet for $34.99 a month for 24 months and get a Flex 4K streaming box free.
Make sure you stop by the Thompson Rose Company for a day full of excitement. The barbecue begins at 11 a.m. until sold out. The parade starts at 11:30 a.m. The beer and clam tent, games, crafts, and music will continue all day long with a fireworks display at 10 p.m. to wrap the fundraiser. Size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and locations impacted include Rockland, Fallsburg, Bushkill, Monticello, McCallickson, Blooming Grove, Honesdale, Liberty, Bethel, and Paupick.
I'm sorry, but what was that?
What?
Nothing.
I was trying to hear where the